Multiple cases on graft, perjury, and malversation awaits those named in Justice Department's investigation report submitted to the Ombudsman. According to the DOJ, a bunch of involved people is in its partial probe. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes tells us more.
Volumes of documents were turned over by the Department of Justice, or DOJ, to the Office of the Ombudsman today. This contained the investigation report prepared by the NBI regarding the questionable flood control projects in the 1st District of Bulacan.
Ang ginagawa natin ngayon, kung saan yung mga mayroong ng ebidensyang malinaw na maaari na nating isampa at magsimula na ang preliminary investigation, ay ginagawa na po natin.
5 complaints on flood control projects were filed before the Ombudsman. Among the names implicated are former Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, and JP Mendoza. Also included are contractors, one of whom, named by the DOJ, is Sims Construction owned by Sally Santos.
This will involve higher officials. Ma-assure ko sa inyo, no? This will involve higher officials. Kasi nga, marami na tayo nakuha mga data. May mga data na pumapasok unti-unti na talaga magpapakita na nagkabatuhan ng pera from one account to the other. Marami doon, hindi pa cash, bank to bank pa.
What makes it worse, these flood control projects are ghost, meaning these are projects that receive budget allocations but were never actually implemented.
So yung ng argabyado, wala dapat karapatang magdikta sa atin. Diba? Tandaan nyo, ang pamahalaan ay naririto para gampanan ang tungkulin niya. So yung mga nandehado, sila ang dapat sumunod sa panuntunan natin. Hindi sila ang nagdidikta.
Those implicated in the investigation could face charges of falsification of public documents, graft, perjury, and malversation if proven guilty. The Ombudsman asserted that they will thoroughly study the report and act swiftly to ensure that cases are filed. The Ombudsman also promised that more investigation will follow, not only in Bulacan but across the entire country. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.